Now let us see if the effects of the new screen replaced to the laptop. As we see here, the career ones has the virtualized in this corner down to the bottom. It was at least four to five yellow lines. Now this one with the replace one. Now it's perfect show, and it's very pretty that this barrier ones we need to throw into the throw into it. That's very perfect. But I also see some DIYers can make a DIYer screen for some like the cam, video cam, use it as a video cam to monitor your but I have no idea how to reuse this screen, but it was very beautiful. This is technology. With this technology, we can have the very colorful screen, and that's all. Thank you for watching.